In the My Comparisons section of My Everything DiSC, you can invite people to compare styles, get tips for working with each other, create group maps, and save it all for quick access. You can start by selecting Invite Others to Compare. Just begin typing in the person's first or last name or email to find them. Now send a request to compare styles. Once they've accepted your invitation, the new comparison will appear in the notifications section. And look, Lucy and Marcus have sent you invitations too, which you can choose to accept or ignore. If you do accept, the comparison becomes available to both of you. You can find it in My Comparisons, where you can sort all comparisons you've made by first name or most recent, depending on your personal preference. When you select a name, you can see where each of you are on the DiSC map. Above the DiSC map, you'll see the tip categories. Here, you'll learn more about things like building a positive relationship, managing tension, and giving feedback. In My Comparisons, you'll also have the option to download a comparison report, view someone's priorities, or remove the person. And you can go further with My Groups. Here you can create, edit, and save multiple groups to see where your group members fall on the DiSC map. Click on Choose a Member to select a specific individual and get tips for working with that person. Now that you know the basics, start comparing.